Baby girl, I know you're here for this makeup look. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start with a primer. I'm using the Insight 3-in-1 primer. I have already moisturized my face. I'm applying the primer and gently massaging it. So e-girl makeup was more famous during the Pinterest era, and then it just went down, and then came TikTok and it just came up again. So TikTok is banned in India, so I do not follow Hannah O. I saw a lot of people on YouTube following her makeup tutorial. I will put the link down in the description, and also you can see her picture out here. So I thought even I'll try to follow it. First I'm going to conceal the dark areas. For that I'm using the Insight Pro Concealer palette. I'm taking this color and applying under my eyes. So you can see in Hannah O's video, she uses her fingers to do most of the makeup. So I will also be using my fingers. If you have a brush, you can use a brush. If you have a blender, you can use a beauty blender. It's according to your wish. So e-girl makeup is not very famous in India. So I have some pigmentation around my mouth, so I am concealing that areas also. So Hannah O, I think I'm pronouncing her name right, I hope so. She just used a concealer. I need something else. I can't just use a concealer and do everything. So I'll be using a BB cream. Too much BB cream on my forehead. Let's just pat it down, pat it down, pat it down. So now I'm going to set my whole face with the Blue Heaven Sapphire translucent powder. So now I'm going to contour with the Stay Quirky mini contour stick, and I'm just going to contour my nose only. I'm going to try to make a button nose. Okay, this will not come as a button nose. I'm going to blend it with my fingers. So this sort of looks like a button nose. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my translucent powder. I'm going to take the brush and dip it and just clean the edges. So now we can do the eyes, Now for the eyes, I'm taking this Jaclyn Hill palette, taking this brown color, just gently putting on my eyelid. So when I'm putting on my eyelid, I'm just going to pull it downwards. So now I'm going to draw the eyebrows, and the eyebrows are sort of straight. I don't have straight eyebrows. My brow extends out here a little. I'm just going to draw till this part. So I just drew from here to here, and I just avoided this areas. I know I can conceal it, but I don't want to conceal it. So now we are going to do the blush, and for the blush I'm using the Blue Heaven Diamond blush, and then taking an amount. So she takes from here and then she applies all over. You can apply as much of blush as you want. There is nothing as too much blush. Remember I said there's nothing as too much blush? I take it back. This is too much blush. Now I'm going to take the blush, apply a lot on my nose. Yes. And then she applies on her cupid's bow also. So I'm going to take a white eye pencil, and I'm going to highlight the nasal bridge, the nose, and also the inner corner of my eyes. So to get that perfect button nose again, I'm going to take my powder and take on my fingers and just apply on the sides. I'm going to carve out the nose. So this is easier for me to do than with a brush. That's why I'm doing like this. So I'm going to let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to dust it off. So till that time I'm going to do my eyes. The e-girl makeup, the main focus is on the eyes. So let's try it. She uses an eyeliner pen, but I do not have the eyeliner pen, so I'm going to use my liquid liner. And from the bottom I'm going to draw a straight line. And connect it with the upper line. Just going to slightly extend it. Okay. So I did both the eyes. Now I have to draw the lower lashes, and that is a little bit difficult for me. So take it. This is going to take some time, and I draw slight, like in a triangle shape I draw. So the farthest one is like big, then I'm going to reduce the size as we go on. So I'm going to stop till the middle. Out here I've got 4 lashes, 4 not so great lashes. So I got my both lower lashes on, and now I'm just going to dust off this powder. So now I'm going to apply the mascara, and for that I'm using the Inside mascara. So I'm going to apply falsies only on the outer side. I hate falsies. Okay, my falsies are not visible, but they are there. I struggled and I put it, so you have to see it. They are there. So now for the lips, I'm going to take the brown shade and then apply over the cupid's bow to get that plump look. Blending it out. Hannah just used a lip gloss, but my lips are a little dark, so I'm going to use the Darling Isabel lipstick. So for the finishing touches in the eyes, I'm going to take my white eye pencil and apply my waterline. So I'm not going to go all the way through, just going to go till a little. So it should be more in the inner side than the outer side. I think Hannah explains it better, so you should go check out her video. So she used like a liquid liner to pop those areas. I do not have a white liquid liner, so I'm just using this pencil. Now for the 4 freckles, I'm going to use this black liner. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to apply it on my finger slightly like so, and then gently dab it. So there is a reason why Indians don't wear this look, mainly because of the eyes. We are already judged for our natural looks. We are already judged for the makeup we wear, for the dress we wear, for being us. So on top of that, just imagine what the aunties and uncles and the neighbors will say. I mean, if you want to look like an anime character, if you want to look like a cartoon character, this is the perfect look. If you want to know how to actually wear this makeup, do check Hannah's video, because I feel I haven't explained everything. It is pretty difficult for me to explain all the procedures and do at the same time. I really don't have that skill. If you do like this video, always remember the subscribe button is free, the comment box is waiting to be filled, and the like and share buttons are also free. So you can just click on it if you want. So until we meet next time, love you all. Bye.